So we have to find out the main word. What is the meaning of main word, to know the meaning of what type of phobia it is, what type of fear it is. So let's start with some words. See, a babylophobia. The meaning of a babylophobia is fear from running out of books. The person who thinks that his stock of books is going to be finished. So the meaning of babylophobia is fear from running out of books. Babylophobia is fear from books, and babilo means, the main word is babilo. Babilo means books. Let's talk about some another word, babilophile. He is a book lover. Bibliophile is a hobby of many people. Here the Babilo means the book. The main word is Babilo. So the two words are there basically. A Babilophobia and Babilophile. Babilophobia is also, three words are there today total. Autophobia. Autophobia and monophobia, the meaning is same. Fear from loneliness. Auto means self, mono means one, loneliness. So the meaning of these both words are same. Autophobia, monophobia, fear from loneliness. Cynophobia, fear from dogs. Cyno, the main word is cyno. Cyno means dog. Gynophobia. Gyno means lady, women. Phobia, fear. Fear from women. Gynecology is another word. It is a medical term. It is used. The person gynecology is a study of female reproductive system, and gynecologist is also a doctor who treat reproductive system of female. So there are three words: gynecology, gynecologist, and gynophobia. Claustrophobia. Claustro means closed space. It is a fear from closed and confined places, that the person feels that he is not able to out from this closed confined place. Sirenophobia is fear from lightning. So sireno means lightning, thunderbolt. Astrophobia, star. Astro means star, lightning. So the fear from stars and light is a astrophobia. Opidophobia. It is a fear from snake and snake-like creature. Nyctophobia. Nycto means night, and phobia, fear from night, darkness. Fear from darkness, fear from light. Acrophobia. Acrophobia. Acro means heights. Acro. You see the word acrobat. Acrobat means the person who performs tasks at heights. So this is a acrophobia. It is a fear from heights. Pyrophobia. Pyro means fire. The main word is pyro. Pyrophobia means phobia from fire. You see another word is many times pyromanic. Pyromanic, a person who want to fire anything, who see the, like, if he see a home, anything, fire this place. Aqua and hydrophobia. Aqua means water, hydro means also water. Hydro means liquid, and so water. So aquaphobia is phobia from water, like ocean or something. Allorophobia. Alloro means cat like creature. Allorophobia is a phobia from cat. Agoraphobia. Agora means crowd. Phobia. Agoraphobia, phobia from crowd. Like some people think about when they are on stage, they fear from this crowd. So this is agoraphobia somewhere. Hemophobia. Hemo means blood. Hemoglobin in our blood, in our body, you see. So hemophobia is a fear from blood. Bacteriophobia, fear from bacteria. This word I put there because, like, sometime after some time you see the chronophobia, the fear from coronavirus. So this is a fear. The main word is bacteria. Entomophobia. Entomophobia. Entomo means insects. Like entomology, who study the insect, about insects. So the main word is entomo. Entomo means insects, and who fear and dislike the insects is entomophobia. Thank you for watching.